now just press create new scenario from template. And now we're here. So what this bot does, it basically scrapes the emails from your LinkedIn search page. If you're trying to find some people, or you're trying to find hundreds of people and you don't know their emails to send, where to send them, so it automatically scrapes and then automatically creates a sales letter and then sends it through Gmail. So all we gotta do is now create your Phantom Buster account. So you will navigate to phantombuster.com and there will be a button create a new account, and you just fill in your credentials. After that, you will see this dashboard, and then you will press use a new Phantom, and then it will ask you to search for LinkedIn search to profile data. So when you navigate to LinkedIn search to profile data, you will just simply add this one to your dashboard, and then all you gotta do is you can edit it if you press setup, and then it will ask you for your session cookie. So how to fill in your session cookie, all you gotta do is on Chrome, it only works on Chrome, navigate to chrome.google.com, on the web store, search Phantom Buster and add to Chrome. It will be an extension that extracts session cookies from your LinkedIn. So how does cookies work? It basically, once you log into LinkedIn one time, it creates your session cookie. And if you log out, the session cookie expires. So you have to take that in mind. If you want to use this bot, you gotta stay signed in into LinkedIn, or if you have been logged out, you just simply log in again and then press connect to LinkedIn here. So once you have been connected, press save, and then here you will find your searches. So how do you find this link? When you navigate into LinkedIn and search, and if you want to find people, then you can type in locations, company, and all of that. You'll have this URL, which basically shows what you see when you search for people. So in my case here, you can see there are all these people, and I'll just copy the link and come back to Phantom Buster. So I'll just paste the link here and press save. Again, choose Phantom Buster when it asks you for email discovery service, and then press save, launch manually. Or if you have upgraded Phantom Buster account, you can do it repeatedly, so it automatically scrapes at 15, 20 minutes or per hour. And notifications, again, by your preferences. So if you want to get notifications by Phantom Buster, just choose the option here. Now press save, and here you go. Your scraper is set up. So I'll just launch it, and then I will come back when it has been done. It will take about 5 to 4 minutes to scrape all the profiles, and yeah, that's all about it. Awesome. As you can see, the bot has finished its job, and now all you gotta do is come back to make.com and now log in with your account. So just simply press add and then fill in your API key. If you don't know how to find your API key, just press here. And then down below, you'll just fill in your information. And then as you can see, third-party API keys, and then you add an API key and just copy that and then paste it here. So I have my account connected, and then you can select from the list or by entering manually. I'll just select from the list, Phantom ID, and as you can see, it shows up your Phantom, which you have created on Phantom Buster. And then container ID, it shows the last scrape you have done. So mine is at 22. And then I'll just press OK. So now all you gotta do is connect your ChatGPT. If you don't know how to do that, press add, copy this link, and then you will see create a new API key, just paste it. Same goes for organization ID. So I have my account connected. Now you can choose your model. I'll choose GPT 3.5. If you have subscribed for GPT 4, you can of course connect to GPT 4, but I'll just choose GPT 3.5. And here, that's all about it. The same goes here. And I'll just choose my model. And I'll go to Gmail. And again, you don't have to change anything from here. All you gotta do is connect with your Gmail. If you don't know how to do that, it's a little bit complicated, but you can follow this guide. And here's an amazing tutorial to show you how to set up your Gmail account connected. So once you connect once, to your make.com account, you don't have to repeat the same process again. So I have my account connected, and here leave it as it is. So I'll run it once and I'll come back to you when it has been finished. Okay, so after you run it once, you will see that it stopped in the middle. So all you gotta do is fix a few errors. So first of all, as you can see, it shows 3-point details.mail from drop contact. So you just search here. You will see an email from the LinkedIn. So email from drop contact, and just press OK. And then same goes for general headline. So just press headline in the list, and then first name, same here. Again, you can choose whatever data you want to manipulate with. You can edit your prompt however you like. We'll just choose first name, and repeat the same process here. So headline, I'll just press headline, and then first name, I'll just type first name, and then I'll type in OK. And I'll run it once more. Again, you can, the same goes here, and data. You check if the information that you have put in is correct. Okay, and then I'll come back to you once more. For this tutorial, I'll send an email to my own account to show an example. It's a dummy account, and I'll run it once, and then I'll show you because I don't want to spam the actual people. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, it writes directly by the name I have scraped, and the message shows that I have stopped the message to not send it. But as you can see, it writes a name, it finds their interest, and then automatically sends an email to that email account and sends them a personalized email. So if you want to automate it, you just navigate to the next video down below, and I'll see you till the next bot. Bye.